Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. Guys, today I'll show you how to jailbreak iOS 9.3.5 or 9.3.6 using phonics and how to install it. So this will work on iPhone 4S, iPad mini 1, iPad 2, iPod Touch 5 or any device that is on A5 or that supports phonics. So this will fix crashes, jailbreak failed errors and revokes. It is very simple and it is an all-in-one fix for phonics jailbreak in 2020. So first of all, open this website. Okay, it is in the description and download the IPA to your computer. Alright. Next, you will need 3U Tools latest version. Also download it and install it. And you also need iTunes because without iTunes 3U tools will not work. Alright, so now when you have all these files available, download it to your device. Now let's see how to sign phonics jailbreak onto your device. So guys, now just open 3U tools and connect your device. I am using my iPad mini 1 for this example. So you can use 4S, iPad 2, iPad mini 1 or iPod Touch 5. So it is compatible with all those devices that support phonics jailbreak. Right now as you can see my CDI is crashing. Alright, and I don't have phonics jailbreak installed. So now let me show you how to install it. Use the latest version of 3U tools. If you have already installed it, just check for update, alright, and install the latest version. Now click on toolbox and click on IPS signature app. Alright, you will see this. Now add IPA. Okay, so now add the IPA that you have downloaded for phonics jailbreak. Click on open. Now just click on sign with Apple ID, add Apple ID and add your Apple ID. So when you have entered your Apple ID, just click confirm. Alright, now put a check mark here and put a check mark next to the Apple ID. Click on start signing and the process will begin and the file will be signed. So if you have two-factor authentication, it will also work with it. It will ask you for the code and you will enter it. So don't worry, it will work on it. The process can take some time, so don't worry. As you can see, applying for certificate. So yeah, all right. Applying for description file. Okay guys, as you can see, signature succeeded. So no error whatsoever. Now how do you install it? Open signed IPA location. Just click on this. Alright. You will see the signed file here. Just right click and open with 3U tools. Click on yes. Go to 3U tools and you will see this dialog box. Alright guys, now just click install and you can see it says installing phonics right here, okay, under my mouse. Alright, now we'll install phonics onto the device. So yes, phonics has been installed. Alright, now if you open, you will see this message, untrusted developer. Don't worry, just go to settings, uh, go to profiles and device management in general. Alright, so Alright, now just trust your email ID, your Apple ID. Alright, trust and trust again. Let me show you. Alright, okay, just go home and open the app now. So yes, app is working fine, no crashes. And if you are jailbreaking for the first time, it will ask you to jailbreak. So my iPad was jailbroken. I just want to kickstart the jailbreak. So I'll just click kickstart. Alright, now click on use provided offsets, patching. So now my iPad will restart or respring, and I'll show you Cydia that it is working fine. Alright guys, it is back after the respring. Now let's see if Cydia works. First let me show you the app is working. It didn't crash. So now let's open Cydia. So yes, you can see that my iPad mini 1 is now jailbroken on 9.3.5. This can work on 9.3.6 also. Alright, so everything is working fine. Sources. So if you want to know the process of downgrading an iPhone 4S, iPad mini 1, iPad 2, iPod Touch 5 to iOS 6.1.3, please comment in the comment box if you need it, okay? And I will make a video on it. So I hope you liked it. It is very easy to do. So thanks a lot for watching my video.